Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Monzo Overdraft. In order to do so, let's check in with Cider AI. According to Cider, using an overdraft with Monzo can help you manage your finances when you need a little extra cash. Here's a clear rundown on how to set up and use your Monzo Overdraft. First off, open the Monzo app and tap on the account icon at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down to find your overdraft option. If you're eligible, you will see a prompt to set it up. If you haven't already activated your overdraft, follow the prompts in the app. Monzo may offer you a specific overdraft limit based on your account history and eligibility. You may need to complete identification, verification, or other steps as required by Monzo. Once activated, you can use your overdraft simply by spending more than what you have in your account. Monzo will automatically cover the difference up to your set overdraft limit. For example, if you have 50 in your account and your overdraft limit is 100, you can spend up to 150. Keep track of your overdraft usage within the app. Monzo displays your overdraft usage and charges clearly in your account overview. You can also set spending alerts to help avoid overspending. Your overdraft will be charged daily interest, so it's best to pay it back as soon as possible to minimize fees. You can pay back your overdraft by depositing money into your account. Monzo will automatically apply these funds to your negative balance. Monzo typically charges interest on the amount you overdraw. This specific rate can be found in the app or your account documentation. Make sure to review Monzo's guidelines on overdraft fees to understand how much you'll be charged and when. Always be aware of your overdraft limit to avoid declined payments or additional fees. If you find yourself needing to use your overdraft frequently, consider reaching out to Monzo's support for advice or to discuss your options. Using a Monzo overdraft can be helpful financial tool if used wisely. By keeping track of your spending and understanding the fees involved, you can manage your finances effectively. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find our top AI tool recommendations, including Cider AI. Click on the links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.